Hello, welcome back to another video on financial trading. Today we are going to learn about RSI divergence. Now what is RSI divergence? The bookish knowledge you can get from the Google, okay? And I know that you are not here for that, and I'll be showing you only the practical part. How to trade with RSI divergence? So let's begin. So there are two types of divergence. Mainly there are other divergence as well, such as hidden divergence and all, but they are a bit difficult to use. What most traders use is positive divergence and negative divergence. So the first thing that you need to do is go to indicators. Over here in search, type in RSI, Relative Strength Index. Click on it. Now this kind of indicator will open. Go over here in settings. This three, turn it off. For me, I have already made over here, so I'll cancel this over here. First thing that we are going to see is positive divergence. Now in positive divergence, you need to find two lows. That means the price is falling down, but the RSI is indicating you that the price is going to go up. That means RSI is a leading indicator. I repeat, RSI is a leading indicator. But can you 100% rely on this indicator? No. You cannot rely 100% on this indicator. So what you can do, once you have identified that RSI is increasing, you need to combine RSI indicator with the candles. Now let's see over here. This is a chart of Tesla over here. I'm over 15 minutes over here. I'm here in 15 minutes time frame. So remember, the shorter the time frame, the faster the RSI divergence is going to work for you. The bigger the time frame, the slower RSI is going to work for you. Maybe it will take days, 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days if you have identified on a daily time frame. Whereas in 15 minutes and 5 minutes or 3 minutes, the RSI is going to work at a faster rate. Keep that in your mind. So once you have identified the price is falling, point 1 and point 2, I have indicated with the help of an arrow over here that price is falling over here. Now over here you can see at the bottom that RSI is indicating up. Over here it was a low, then over a high. But will you take a trade at this point? No, definitely no. You will not take a trade at this point. Why? No confirmation from the candles. Please make sure that you watch the bearish and the bullish candlestick patterns I have shown in the video. Because over here the candles are not formed. Over here there is a candle which is formed. See over here. And let's see the result. And the price went up. This is a case of bullish divergence. Now let us see an example for bearish divergence also. Okay, now coming back to USD JPY, point 1 and point 2. In this case the price went up. Okay, the price went up like this, and the indicator, see what is the RSI value is 84.67 and over here it is 80.37. that is lower, right? It shows bearish divergence. And over here it is a kind of a pattern, bearish candlestick pattern I have already showed in the video. And I've already said we are going to teach you the real things, right? So the strategy failed over here, right? Definitely every strategy is going to fail in this. So what you need to do is have a stop loss. We'll be making a video on stop losses and how to take the targets in the later video. So if you have entered over here, the price came down till here but went up, and definitely stop loss was hit, right? So every setups will fail, remember that. Over here, point 1 and point 2, price is increasing. RSI over here is 82.83, and over here also it is 82 something, almost it is similar. Okay, it is similar. That means in some cases the RSI will not be falling also, it might be same levels, but the price will be increasing. I'll repeat it, the price is increasing on the charts but RSI will be same, such as in this case. So you need to combine that indicator with the candle and take your target. Okay, so remember, RSI need not be always falling down, it can be in the same, like this. Now over here, price here and over here, it is in the same levels. A small difference is there. Okay, it's small difference, but over here RSI is indicating you down. Now over here is a candle which I've shown in the previous videos, and see the market fell. Using RSI is very simple. You need to have the patience in yourself. Once you have identified, once the RSI is telling you the price is going to go up or go down, you need to confirm that with the help of trend lines, with the help of candlesticks and support and resistance. Having this multi confirmation, it will lead you to a much better chances to win the trade. Before we end this video, RSI works best on double top and double bottom patterns. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.